So I'll have to tell you an anecdote about this Gram doctors. Coming from another serial I watched. It is called Gram Chikitsalay. So to your point, there is actually this doctor who comes to this primary healthcare center. He's some topper and all, but he wants to do good. He comes there. So then he discovers that everything is getting sold out with medicines, this, that. So he realizes that the blood pressure machine, everything has been sold out. So he gets totally hassled, okay? And he's like fuming. He said, "Kya kar rahe ho? Blood pressure machine bhi फेंक दिया." He said, that guy said, "लेकिन blood pressure machine की इतना जरूरत नहीं होती है." He said, "What do you mean? You can tell blood pressure without using the blood pressure." He said, अब जैसे कि मुझे अभी दिख रहा है कि आपका blood pressure बढ़ रहा है. So, but you're right that the primary healthcare is a big challenge in a country like India. Not only for the doctor, but I realize also for supplies, for infrastructure, operation. But
This actually, it triggered off something that I was watching on Instagram, I think yesterday. And it said that with the cost of healthcare going up, if you want to check whether you're healthy or not, just pee near a tree and wait for a few minutes. If ants gather, you have diabetes. If the
perfect.
There
you go.
If the
Native
tree dies,
intelligence.
you have this. And if you forget to zip up your pant after you peed, then you have Alzheimer's, right?
This is called transference of madness.
Yeah. There is transference of madness. I agree.
For her to say this.
Sorry, that just reminded me of that madness.